Kyoto, nestled amidst the rolling hills of western Japan, stands as a testament to the country's rich history and cultural heritage. For over a millennium, Kyoto served as Japan's capital, witnessing the ebb and flow of power, the blossoming of art and tradition, and the enduring spirit of its people. Even today, long after the capital moved to Tokyo, Kyoto remains the country's spiritual heart, a place where the echoes of the past resonate deeply in the present. The city's streets, lined with traditional wooden houses and serene temples, whisper tales of emperors and shoguns, geishas and artisans. From its grand imperial palaces to its intimate Zen gardens, Kyoto is a treasure trove of Japanese art, architecture, and philosophy. In the year 794, Emperor Kanmu made the momentous decision to move the capital from Nara to the village of Uda, later renamed Heian-kyo, meaning capital of peace and tranquility. This marked the beginning of Kyoto's reign as the imperial capital, a period that would span over 1,000 years. Emperor Kanmu envisioned a grand capital, free from the political intrigues and Buddhist influence that had come to characterize Nara. The city was meticulously planned, following the principles of geomancy, with wide avenues laid out in a grid pattern inspired by the Tang Dynasty capital of Chang'an. At the heart of the city stood the Imperial Palace, a symbol of imperial authority and the epicenter of courtly life. He actively encouraged the development of the arts, literature, and religion, laying the foundation for the cultural flourishing that would characterize the Heian period. The Heian period, from 794 to 1185, is often regarded as the golden age of Japanese culture, and Kyoto, as the imperial capital, was at the very heart of this blossoming. The city became a crucible of creativity, a place where literature, poetry, music, and the arts flourished under the patronage of the imperial court. It was during this era that the Japanese kana script was developed, leading to a surge in literary output, most notably the Tale of Genji by Lady Murasaki Shikibu. Kyoto's landscape was also transformed during this period with the construction of magnificent temples and gardens. The Kiyomizu-dera Temple and the Byodo-in Temple stand as enduring symbols of Heian artistry and spirituality. The tranquility of the Heian period was not to last. As the power of the imperial court waned, a new force emerged in Japanese society: the samurai. These provincial warriors, bound by codes of honor and martial prowess, gradually rose to prominence, challenging the authority of the emperor and plunging Japan into a period of turmoil. In 1185, the Genpei War culminated in the victory of Minamoto no Yoritomo, who established the Kamakura shogunate, Japan's first military government. Kyoto, though no longer the seat of political power, remained a city of great cultural and religious significance. However, it was not immune to the violence that swept across Japan during the feudal period. In 1467, the Onin War engulfed Kyoto, leaving the city devastated and marking the beginning of the Sengoku period, a century of near-constant warfare. Yet even in the face of such destruction, the spirit of Kyoto endured. The Edo period, from 1603 to 1868, ushered in a new era of peace and stability under the Tokugawa shogunate. While the seat of government was moved to Edo, present-day Tokyo, Kyoto remained an important cultural and religious center. The Tokugawa shoguns invested heavily in the restoration of Kyoto. The city's temples and shrines, many of which had been damaged during the Onin War, were rebuilt and renovated. Additionally, new structures, such as the opulent Nijo Castle, were constructed. Kyoto's economy, fueled by the patronage of the imperial court, the nobility, and wealthy merchants, flourished during the Edo period. Traditional arts like the tea ceremony, flower arrangement, and no theater also thrived, further cementing Kyoto's reputation as a center of cultural refinement. Despite the political changes, Kyoto managed to retain its unique character and cultural significance during the Edo period. The Meiji Restoration of 1868 marked a turning point in Japanese history. The Tokugawa shogunate was overthrown, and imperial rule was restored. The capital was moved from Kyoto to Tokyo, signaling Japan's entry into the modern era. While Kyoto was no longer the political center of Japan, it adapted to the changing times, embracing modernization while preserving its rich cultural heritage. The city underwent significant urban development with new infrastructure, including railways and factories, transforming its landscape. Despite the challenges of modernization, Kyoto remained deeply committed to preserving its cultural legacy. The city is home to 17 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, more than any other city in Japan. Today, Kyoto stands as a vibrant metropolis, a harmonious blend of ancient and modern. Throughout its long and storied history, Kyoto has faced numerous challenges, from wars and fires to political upheaval and the pressures of modernization. Yet, through it all, the city has displayed a remarkable resilience, an ability to adapt and reinvent itself while remaining true to its core identity. The spirit of Kyoto lies in its deep connection to the past, its reverence for tradition, and its unwavering commitment to beauty and artistry. It is a city that honors its heritage while embracing the future, a place where ancient temples stand in harmony with modern skyscrapers. The people of Kyoto, known for their refinement, hospitality, and deep appreciation for their city's cultural legacy, play a vital role in preserving its unique character. Kyoto's enduring spirit serves as an inspiration, a testament to the power of culture to transcend time and circumstance. Today, Kyoto stands as a vibrant testament to the harmonious coexistence of tradition and modernity. The city's streets, once traversed by ox carts and palanquins, are now bustling with cyclists and sleek bullet trains. Yet, amidst the hum of modern life, the echoes of the past remain palpable. Step into the ancient Gion district, with its preserved wooden machiya merchant houses, and you might catch a glimpse of a geisha, her face delicately painted, her footsteps silent in traditional wooden sandals. Visit the Fushimi Inari Shrine with its thousands of vibrant red torii gates winding up the mountainside, and experience the enduring power of Shinto beliefs. Kyoto's culinary scene is equally diverse, offering a delectable fusion of traditional and contemporary flavors. Savor the delicate flavors of kyokaiseki, Kyoto's refined haute cuisine, or indulge in a steaming bowl of ramen from a street vendor. From Michelin-starred restaurants to local tea houses, Kyoto offers a culinary journey for every palate. Kyoto is more than just a city. It is a journey through time, a tapestry woven from threads of history, culture, and spirituality. It is a place where ancient traditions are cherished alongside modern innovations, where the past whispers through the present, inviting visitors to slow down, contemplate, and appreciate the beauty of a city that has captured the hearts and imaginations of travelers for centuries. Whether strolling through the serene bamboo groves of Arashiyama, meditating in a Zen garden, or witnessing the delicate artistry of a tea ceremony, Kyoto offers a unique and unforgettable experience. A journey to Kyoto is a journey to the very heart of Japan, an exploration of a culture that reveres its past while embracing the future.